Hello guys, how are you doing? So you're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Charles Chinonso, and in this video I'll be showing you how to access cheap data. I'll be revealing 7 different codes to you that you can use to access cheap data from MTN. Okay, so you want to pay attention to this video. You want to pay attention to the very end so that you don't miss any part of the video. Do you understand? So currently data is very expensive in Nigeria. At the moment, for you to get 1 gig of data, you need to spend about 800 naira. Do you understand? And that's really much. And funny enough, this 1 gig for 800 is a weekly plan. Like, it won't last you a month. Even if you want to manage that 1 gig for a month, once it's 7 days, MTN will wipe it away from your phone. But then with this secret I'll be showing you right away, one of them, you'll be able to get data for as low as 200 naira for 1 month. You'll be able to get 1 gig data for as low as 200 naira for 1 month. So that is why you want to pay attention so that you don't miss any part. You don't miss the part where I mentioned I can get 1 gig for 200 naira. Okay, all right, so let's just get straight to it. Let's not waste our time. So the very first code I'll be revealing to you guys is *312 *199 hash, *312 *199 hash. So with this particular code, you'll be getting 1.5 gig for 400 naira. 1.5 gig for 400 naira. If you are someone that use a lot of data in a day, trust me, this is the best plan you can go for. Instead of using about 1 gig and exhausting it in a day for 800 naira, you can just simply buy 1.5 gig for yourself and pay just 400 naira for it. Hope you get the logic, guys. So some people use about 2 gig. They consume about 2 gig in a day. Some people consume about 3 gig in a day. So I think this is a better way you should go about getting those data. So don't save yourself extra 400 naira and even get an extra 500 MB for yourself. So instead of you buying 1 gig for 800 naira, get to buy 1.5 gig for just 400 naira. And this is a daily plan. That's why I talked about if you use a lot of data in a day, this is a daily plan. All right, so let's move on to the second code. So the second code I'll be revealing to you guys right now is *312 *86 hash, *312 *86 hash. So once I dial this particular code, can you see this is a weekly plan for you and it's ridiculously cheap. You'll be getting about 150 MB for just 20 naira. You are getting 150 MB for just 20 naira. Can you see that? So probably you just ran into an emergency, you just exhausted your data. You can just do something like this and quickly get to come online again and do what you're doing. See when you can go for your main data plan. You can see that this is so cheap. So cheap. So the third code I'll be revealing to you guys is *312 *1 hash. So once you dial this particular code, you get to see several plans you can go for. Like, there are several of them right here. Can you see? The first one is 75 naira for 75 MB. The second one is 100 naira for 110 MB. We have 200 naira for 230 MB. 500 naira for 1 gig. 500 naira for 1 gig. The normal plan on MTN is 800 naira for 1 gig. But right here, you are seeing you are getting 500 naira for 1 gig. Then you have 1000 naira for 3.2 gig. Then there is 750 for 2 gig. It means you are getting like 1 gig for just 375 naira. That's crazy, guys. Very crazy. And you see you have 900 naira for 2.5 gig. This particular offer, I made a video like my previous video that I made where I talked about I can get 900 naira for 5 gig. Do you understand? Like, you'll be getting an extra 2.5 gig. You might want to check out that video so that you see how you can get an extra 2.5 gig for yourself. I already dropped the link in the description, or you can check around this video. It should pop up right now. So just go and check that video. So that way you'll be getting 5 gig for just 900 naira. But then you can still proceed and buy this. It's still a very good plan for you. You are getting 2.5 gig for 900 naira. That's crazy cheap. And also, this is the plan I showed you guys earlier, which is 1.5 gig for just 400 naira. 1.5 gig for 400 naira. So these are exciting offers. You can choose to go for any of them, and trust me, you are still getting data at a ridiculously cheap price. Alright, so let's move on to the number 4th code, which you can use to get data at a ridiculous cheap price. So this number 4 code is *312 *100 hash. So this plan, with this plan, you'll be able to get 1 gig for just 200 naira. 1 gig for just 200 naira. This is crazy cheap, guys. Instead of you buying directly from MTN and getting 1 gig for 800 naira, and which will last you for just a week, you can go ahead and buy it using this code, and you get 1 gig that will last you for a month, and still at a very cheap price. You are saving 600 naira. That's a lot of money, guys. So go ahead and use this plan. This is crazy cheap, guys. This is crazy cheap. Go ahead and use this plan and purchase data for yourself at a very cheap price. All right, so the fourth code I'll be revealing to you guys right here is star 406 star 3 hash. Star 406 star 3 hash. So these ones are for the night crawlers. If you know you use a lot of data in the midnight, you can go ahead and purchase this plan. Like, you save yourself a lot of money using this particular plan. You can see you are getting 500 MB for just 15 naira. It means you are getting 1 gig for just 100 naira. That's crazy cheap, guys. Crazy cheap. So if you know you use a lot of data in the midnight, probably you download movies or you watch tutorials online, whatever you do in the midnight with a lot of data, you can save yourself some money by using this particular plan. Okay. All right, so the sixth code I'll be showing you guys is star 344 star 2 star 1 hash. Star 344 star 2 star 1 hash. So with this particular plan, you'll be getting 4 gig for just 600 naira, and it will last you 30 days. 4 gig for just 600 naira, and it will last you 30 days. So this plan is for those that use a lot of education sites and apps. So with this plan, you can be able to access those sites and app, and also save yourself some data, save yourself some money. So just go ahead and purchase this plan if you know you visit a lot of educational sites and educational app. Some time ago, I made a video about how you can use this particular plan to access any websites, like not just educational sites. If you want me to remake such video, just go ahead and comment educational sites hack in the comment section. Go ahead and comment educational sites hack in the comment section, and I'll make a video on how you can use this particular plan to access any site, any video online. Like, you will not be restricted to just educational sites and app. Okay, if I'm able to get about 15 to 20 comments regarding this, then I'll make a video regarding that. Okay. All right, so now the final code I'll be revealing to you guys right here. This particular code is special, very special, because I actually reviewed the code in my last video, and a lot of people are just thanking me, saying God bless you, I got this cheat, I got this code, it worked for me. But unfortunately, it did not work for everybody. So I feel it's very important I say the code again, so that if you are lucky enough to claim this particular offer, then good for you. So this code, with this particular code, you'll be getting data at a ridiculous cheap price also. So the code is star 312 star 88 hash. Star 312 star 88 hash. So with this particular code, you are getting 1.5 gig of data for just 200 naira. 1.5 gig of data for just 200 naira. It's not bad. It won't cost you anything if you just give this a shot. Okay, so you might be lucky enough to be eligible for this, because I made a tutorial on it in my past video, and some people actually appreciated it because they were eligible for it, while some were not eligible for it. So just go ahead and try it and see if it works for you. So guys, these are the 7 different codes which you can use to get data from MTN at a very cheap price. Very cheap price. So try any of them and see if they work for you, and if they worked for you, just go ahead and comment in the comment section which one exactly worked for you, so that I can actually share it to more people. I can share that particular code to more people. All right, so if you got value from my video, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and like this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and also drop a comment if any of them worked for you. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.